See, like, now I know how it's working. Freaking red dot flashing up there. Like, I got some news. Delete that one because that one doesn't work. Please. Hello, and this is how I'm gonna stream now because this is freaking awesome, and I love the background. Like, can I steal that? Can I actually steal that? Thank you. No, no, I can't steal it. That background is so awesome. Anyway, Monday's stream was Minecraft, and I hope you guys are literally watching on YouTube because this is how I'm gonna update now on the VR tuber or whatever you call it. I'm sorry if you hear the fans in the background. It's usually it's freaking hot in this room. It's like a microwave. So Monday's stream was Minecraft, and because Elgato wasn't working along with Twitch, as usual, and the audio was all, horrible and stuff, that I went on to OBS instead. The settings was wrong, and that's why they were dropped and skipped frames. I did let you guys know that. I didn't let you guys know that on YouTube at the beginning of the video, just in case. I don't know if it actually shows because it's edited or something, but it did. It actually will show on Twitch. Tuesday I was away. Wednesday I really did a full stream and did not notice that the audio was completely crap from the beginning, so I had to delete that stream, and I just did Thursday and Friday. The thing is that I have to keep updating my drive because I found out that Windows is reverting my update on my driver, which makes the audio crap on my stream, and I just want to stream when everything is fixed. Otherwise, everything is going to be delayed. I was supposed to start at 2, like after lunch, but I've been starting later than that and finishing later than I'm supposed to because I feel exhausted and tired after stream and I need to rest, otherwise I'll be cranky and stuff. Still streaming with splints in my hands just to be sure. It's a long-term thing. Long-term injury thing. So if you do see me like on the stream with like things in my hands, those are the splits. One has metal bar that sometimes digs into my hand, and the other one has like a plastic strip that restricts the movement of my thumb. And that's the thing is, when I play Animal Crossing, the part of my splint always like presses the button that I'm not supposed to press, and it looks like it's definitely making the video funny. Then it is like just automatically pulling up tools that I'm not even going to use. So The Twitch thing is fixed on Elgato. I can now stream Twitch through Elgato. It's just the audio. I have tried to stop it automatically updating. It's been literally trying it since last night. I'm like, yeah, I ain't installing shit in my freaking computer. No way. And I hope that it is fixed, because I do not want to literally pay a fortune to fix it. Like, this is a gaming driver, not like a normal driver for a normal low performance laptop. You know, the more a high quality driver it is, the more expensive it is. I got no money. The thing is, right, this morning I had a text from the well-known, famous, popular psychic twins who done like readings for popular YouTubers. Like, you know, they were in Sam Colby's video. If you watch them, like, if you don't, then you're under a rock. You've been living under a rock. Like, where have you been? What are you doing? And they were like, oh, do you want a reading? And I was like, yeah. And he's like, have you had a reading before? And I was like, yeah. And then they just said, how are you going to donate? I'm like, donate? Why didn't you not mention it in the first place? I'm like, is $1 enough? I don't have enough money. They want $40 up. I'm like, are you serious? Don't worry then, because that sounds like a scam. Do I really want to donate $40 up for a reading? I can get a reading way less cheaper in an actual store, and you know, no one hardly believes that kind of stuff. I mean, for a well-known, popular, famous psychics, buddy, I've done readings to other well-known, popular people. If you're well-known, popular, famous people and done readings for 2 famous people, you have enough money. You don't need people to donate. I mean, us Australians are struggling at the moment when the price is literally going up on everything, and the last thing that we need is literally a donation, because we do not can't afford that, and we need as much money as possible so we can go on by that. But we finished Layers of Fear. If you watched that, thanks. If you don't, what are you doing? And we're now on to Outlast. And I've been trying new things. I have sound effects to make it more funnier now. I am really nervous to try it. You see, like, the audio seems fine on, like, it seems fine on YouTube. It seems fine on Spotify. It seems fine when I watch a video on my laptop, or when I go and it's like, because it's using the driver that it's been playing around with. I mean, the PC doesn't use all of the things that it has for everything. It only uses it for powerful things, which is the thing that I use. See, like, I am gonna, like, literally I don't know when I look at my video because it's embarrassing, especially this. Not cool, LJ. Not cool. I'm just gonna go to my library and play a random video, like this playthrough I've been watching, and then you see, like, the audio is fine.
Sell products on Facebook and Instagram when you start your online store with Shopify. E-commerce.
Stop. Okay, that was YouTube. Fine. Now, Spotify. I'm probably gonna get copyrighted, but I am. You know what I'm saying? Peruvian. Okay, that is Spotify. Fine. Video. It's one of my streams. Okay, that is just like normal video on my laptop. Fine. But when like I go into Elgato, it's like you get it like stuttering, kind of crackling, popping, chopping in and out. Oh yeah, and that's because of the drive. Like I've been having these issues for 2 weeks, and I'll be trying to stream through all these issues, and it's been late. And like streaming all the audio, you have to delete that. Stream again. I wrote it down, man. I wrote it down so I know next time. Check the audio by sound settings and sound capture. I don't use sound capture. I don't mess with that shit. I don't need that. Like, and PC. Check your PC and Elgato drives. Make sure they're all updated. They say put your PC on high performance, and check the task manager if it's just running too much. So it's like it tells me, like I click on to the journal and that's the program that you update your drive, and it just says like your driver is not up to date with this program. Like, oh well, I've done it again. So no, I've done it. And then when I click on her, it says that and it doesn't open. Because I update it every day because it reverts every time I update it. And it is not okay. Like, I got stuff to do. I got streaming to do on the right time. I have to change my schedule because of this thing. Like, I need a break, a long break from all these technical issues. I have been through so many technical issues. First, when I first got Elgato, my screen was flickering, like, the TV screen, not the PC. And it's because like the HDR was on, it doesn't support HDR, so I turned that off and that stopped it. I need to write that down too. And then like Elgato was just like lagging and slow, wasn't it good? Till I found out the computer that I had didn't have the right requirements for it, so I have to get a new computer. And then my video was not rendering, and that's why I need to get like another computer that has the requirements for it. What else happened? I did have the audio issue before. Just really lagging. I mean, that's just because of the internet. Like, not a lot has bloody internet from outer space. What do you call it? Like Alienware. I mean, if you have internet from outer space, then you definitely can like stream on spot. Perfect. Fine, perfect. But if there's lagging, like frame drops, skipped frames, I'm sorry. And I can't remember. There was so many. I think it was like, because they say like you can't have so many things like listening or recording at the same time. Otherwise, it'll be echoing, and that's like one thing that I really want to have sound capture. Like, you don't really need that. I think you mainly need that if you do PC gaming. I'm not a PC gamer, I'm a console. But we are gonna get back into it when everything is sorted, and I need to make 100% sure that it's fixed. Because maybe it does it like on a certain time, which really like gets me wondering. And like, I think my mouse is literally going flat. It runs on batteries. Yes, I see. See, like, my computer can't update. It is literally been trying, like, and I'm like, I don't think so. It kind of reminds me of that song, like, you try to be nice, I don't think so. So, we all have technical issues. I watch so many streamers. And I always hear them saying that, so like we have a technical issue, we're going to try to figure it out. The thing is that sometimes the audience can only see the problems that we have. We can't see it. So that's why we need to know, like, if there's any issues. We only know when the stream finishes and watch it ourselves after. Because, on my Elgato, it's fine. But when I check back, it's like frames dropping. I'm like, but I did not know. So like, only you can know sometimes, and not me. Like, you can only see it, but not me. And that's why you gotta let me know. And that's why you gotta communicate when I'm streaming. Like, how's the stream going? What games do you prefer? Am I doing the sound effects too much? You have to to improve us, you have to help us by giving us feedback. I mean, that's for like anything. Like, when you buy something online, you get feedback. Everything is just like what we need. We need feedback. Tell us, message us. And I just wanted to let you know what's going on, because like, why is she being away for too long again? Is her hand bloody falling off or something? It's because that the PC is having a driver issue, not like that, but like very annoying in a way to stream during the issues that's been happening. So I'll be away probably for a week. I'll change my schedule on YouTube and Twitch to let you know. I don't know, can you do a schedule on a Facebook page? I don't know. I'm really into the scheduling. I mean, is there a schedule on YouTube? I mean, you guys, that's why I haven't been on on the weekend because like I've been dealing with so much. I mean, I've been busy. I haven't been to my friend's party chat because of that. You know, like it gets you busy, and I kind of like that. So I'll see you when I come back. I promise I will. Yes, again, if things happen, and I'm sorry, and stay tuned.